everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing a traveling set. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So they are travel packing cubes, as you can see right here. So this is great for bringing makeup, lotions, hairbrushes, and everything like that. It also does have this plastic pouch right here for anything that is liquid. And then it does have this right here to where you can hang it inside your bathroom if you are traveling. You have these traveling bags right here, which are great to separate your clothes. Maybe you want to do underwear, t-shirts, socks, stuff like that. You have a bunch of these. So it comes with 1, 2. So it looks like it comes with 2 of these sizes. It comes with this size, this size, this size, which I think these two are the same size. So it comes with a medium size, a little bit smaller. You have this one right here, which is not see-through. It looks like this if there's something that you don't want the mesh to show through. You have this one that's clear. And then you have this one right here, which is great for dirty clothes. I like to take stuff like this so that when I bring my dirty clothes back, it's pretty much like a laundry hamper. And I can just put my clothes in here as I'm using them. But let's go ahead and see what these look like in use. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.